This mod enhanced NFS Most Wanted 2005 cutscenes to 1080p with improved anti-aliasing and sharpness for a better visual experience. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. After the download starts, go back to files. As it mentions, download one required language pack. Select one of the language pack and make it English. Select the manual download and select the download option and select slow download, and it will start downloading. And you need to check my video description for these two links. Just scroll down, check this ASI Loader zip. It will start downloading. ASI Loader zip. Select this right arrow and select download suspicious file. That's a mod file. You don't need to worry about anything. Just scroll down and download this NFS Most Wanted Widescreen fix. Everything is started downloading. After the download done, right click on this cutscene and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and navigate to the game folder. The game's default location is C drive program files x86 EA games Need for Speed Most Wanted, and in here just drag and drop this movies folder in a game directory. Select the check mark to this for all current items and select continue, and then go back and open this English pack. Let's drag and drop this movies folder inside. Check mark this and select continue. And now go back and open this ASI Loader. Just drag and drop this DLL file in your game directory and select replace the file in the destination and continue. And go back and open this widescreen fix. Just drag and drop these two files inside of your game directory and select replace the file in the destination, and do this for all current items and select continue. And now you need to open the movies folder in your game directory and scroll down and find the batch file. As you can see, in my case I downloaded the English pack, so I have the english.bat file. Just right click and select run as administrator and select run option and select yes. Once it's done, just go back and launch the game. And now the cutscene has been changed to 180p with improved anti-aliasing and sharpness for better visual experience. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.